We're here at gotomath.com. Click on the calculus. Click on inverse. We're doing 3.1, I believe. Whoa, what's that? I don't know. Let's write it down. Let's write it down. Okay, we got 49 minus sine squared x dx. Okay. I'm writing a couple things down here. A squared, yeah. Okay, sorry about that. The delay here. Too much is going on. Okay. Too much is going on. We got the integral of cosine x over (49 minus sine squared x dx). Okay, that's a 4 there. Alright, so since we're in the inverse trigonometric function section, or whatever, that's kind of what you need to have your mind on. Ooh, he just tackled him for a loss of 10 yards. Sorry. I'm watching the Arkansas game. Anyway, was just notified about it. Okay, we gotta get back to this real quick. Alright, where are we at? So this is the form. We need to find the one that's got the square root down there in the bottom. Just the single square root. And so this is what we need to have our mind on right here. I'll go ahead and write this out. So we have we got this form here, 1 minus the square root of a squared minus u squared du, and that's equal to, normally all these have been 1 over a right here, but this one here is arc sine of u over a plus c. Alright, so somehow we need to get it to looking like this, and we know that if we took the derivative of sine x, we'd get cosine x, so there's probably a clue going on there. Even though I'm going to rewrite this, okay, so 49, let's see, we know that 7 squared is 49, so that's nice. And then sine x, quantity, I'm going to write it like this right here, looks a little more obvious, dx. Right, and we know that if we take the derivative of this, we get cosine x up here. So that means we're going to have to use that substitution thing going on there. So now don't let this u and this u, these are two different u's going on here, okay? U is equal to sine x, and du is equal to cosine x dx. Well, we have a cosine x and a dx in the numerator, so we're going to replace that with the du. Right, but I like to write a 1 up here on top, put the du right over here. Alright, and then of course down here we're going to have 7 squared minus, and then this is our u right here, u squared. Alright. Well, there it is. Doesn't that look like that? It looks like that to me. So we'll just go ahead and write arc sine of u over a, and a is, I should write that out over here somewhere, a is equal to 7, plus c. But remember, we don't want to leave our answer in terms of u. We want to get everything back in terms of x. That's what we started with. So we end up with arc sine of sine x. I am going to start parentheses this time. So sine x over 7, and then plus c. Alright. Okay, so it looks like that's it. Well, come on by, practice makes perfect, and I'll see you. Go to math.com.